Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is my tank. Just got my new plants. Got everything in here. Color in there. What I do is I use this right here. That gives me all the oxygen because I use uh, CO2. So I make sure it's plenty of oxygen, plenty of water, agitation on the water on the top surface. And you see a lot of my plants is just starting to come back around. Got some guys, they up there, they've been here for a while. That's up there. And so I got a lot of little, see, I know that when I have these guys in there, I know that there's no kind of plagues or anything, but I had that white algae, which not an algae, uh, it's a fungus. Everybody is saying they didn't know what it was, but what I found out is when I clean my substrate, the gravel, once I cleaned that very, very well, that's when all the white, whatever that fungus was, went away because it would kill my plants within a week. So when I found out that all the nutrients comes from the gravel, well, the top of the plants, if we look at them, see the top, see they nice, they got a little red. A little red is a little iron, but if it's no leaves, then there's no iron in the substrate. So I cleaned the substrate out and I put some tabs in there. And it's pretty clean now, as you can tell when you come around, when you look through your tank, like so, and you can see clearly through it. So I can see all the way through the other side. You can see everything in the tank. So I know that it's now clean. I got a lot of color in there now. So I'm waiting for my potassium and my iron to come. So once those two things come, which will probably take a day or so, I found out that a lot of that white fungus also comes from chemicals, too much chemicals buildup. So you may have plants, you may dose it, but it doesn't mean that the plants ate all of the stuff that you put in the water. So you have to give it time for them to eat it out. Guess you can tell by the growth of your plants. Mines, they do better when it's medium light, which is the blue fluorescent lights, which isn't as strong. They don't seem as though they eat as much and grow as much in the white, clear light. But right now, looking pretty good.